This video is sponsored by Mark VII Equipment, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.
Founded in 1966, Mark VII Equipment is now the world's largest manufacturer, washing over 2 million vehicles per day. Because we were the first to create an in-bay automatic wash, it's no surprise that we have installed over 35,000 sites. Though we have been a subsidiary of the Germany-headquartered WashTech since we were acquired in 2006, all our car washes are produced in our factory based in Arvada, Colorado. We use shop floor management to keep track of our upcoming workload, capacity planning, safety, as well as our 5S program. Within the factory, there are several different departments: receiving and shipping, production, fabrication, electrical, and aftermarket distribution. The receiving team handles all receipts coming into the factory, as well as material handling in our manufacturing operations. This team has a very dynamic workload, as deliveries can range from a single item coming in a parcel shipment to a full 40-foot container. From tunnels to rollovers and self-serves, all of our machines are produced in our Solo factory. This includes the Soft Wash XT, Soft Wash DF, AquaJet XT, as well as the Jet Wash self-serve machine and Softline tunnels. All assembly, fabrication, pre-assembly, and final assembly are done internally. This also includes ancillary products. We pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop for all car wash needs, including water treatment, air compressors, or even off-board merchandising and lighting. Our fabrication department has over 162 years of combined, dedicated service. Our factory has full fabrication capabilities, from turning and milling to sheet metal, laser cutting, and welding. Our electrical department builds the main electrical control panels for both our rollovers, as well as our tunnels and self-serve equipment. All systems are fully inspected and tested prior to shipping. In terms of aftermarket distribution, at the Mark VII factory, we carry about $1.2 million of dedicated inventory for our service and sales. In addition to the factory, in our customer care center, we have multiple teams working together. This includes dispatch, purchasing, order fulfillment, technical support, as well as our shop floor management team. Many of our employees are cross-trained and able to support numerous departments, allowing for a very efficient process and flexibility to meet fluctuating demand. The development of our people is what makes us so special. The dedication and attention to detail of these teams, along with great effort put out every day, is the start of our process here at the factory and critical to the success of Mark VII.
This video is sponsored by Mark VII Equipment, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.